Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, and today I just have a couple items that I just want to share with you that I received yesterday in the mail, and I was super excited about them. And I had purchased another little things here and there that I wanted to share with you. But I'll start off by showing you guys what I received in the mail yesterday. I got some stuff from eBay, and I also got some stuff from Amazon. So I'll go ahead and get started with that. I'll show you the first things that I got from eBay. I got these nail foils that I was super excited about. I like the colors, and there's 10 of them in here. They come in a really nice case to keep them organized. And these were actually $1.99, and these were off of eBay. So I thought that was a good price for these foils here. Another thing that I got yesterday from eBay was these, what are these called? This is called the Cat Eye Magnetic Gel Polish. And it was $2.99, and it doesn't really tell me what color it is. The color that I ordered was a purplish color, and it came with the magnet as well. It has two sides to it. It has the rectangle side as well as a circle side, and there is a magnet on both sides of those. So we'll try this out in one of my nail designs that I'll try to see where I can actually test that out. The other two little things that I got in the mail were these little fruit, what are these called? These are actually called, let me see what they're called. They're called Fimo slices, polymer clay. And there's a whole bunch of designs in here. There's flowers, there's fruits, there's butterflies, cupcakes. So just a whole bunch of little things here. And there's supposed to be 1,000 pieces in here. And these were actually $2.60. And all the things I buy off of eBay or Amazon, I try to make sure that they're free shipping because I really don't want to pay extra for shipping. And I also ordered these little leaves. And these were actually 99 cents. So I thought that was a good price. I don't think I have opened these yet. Let's just see how shiny they are. Let's just get them out of the case here. And yeah, these are pretty cool. Depending on the lighting, they tend to have a different color. So yeah, we'll also test those out in a nail design in the future. Now let's move on to Amazon. I got these gel polishes from Amazon, and this was like a neon collection they had. I don't know how good these are. They're a brand called Beetles gel polish brand, and these were actually, there is 6 of them, and they were actually, let's see, they were $16.99. So I don't know how good these polishes are, but I will definitely try them out and let you guys know. And these are the numbers and the colors that I got. Okay, this is, I think this is the neon set. So let's just open one up and see the consistency of these. It looks pretty. I want to say they're on the thicker side, and sometimes that's a good thing because that means that they're pigmented well. But like I said, we'll give them a try and see how good they are. All right, so moving on. I ordered this nail bit because it's been hyped up on the internet, and I just wanted to try it. This is from Pana Carbide Bits, and this was $14.99. It's supposed to be a 5-in-1 bit. I don't know how good it is. I will test it out. I got the medium cores. I was debating on whether getting the fine or the medium, because I just wasn't sure how well this was working. I figured I would start off with the medium. If I liked it, then I could just order a fine one. Let's just open it and see. And again, we'll be trying it out in the future. Here, you'll probably see me trying it out. And so it comes in this little package or stand, and it is supposed to be a safety bit. I guess we'll try it out. It seems a little bit sharp on the edge there, but then I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if you can actually see the actual teeth on there. So yeah, we'll try it out and see how that works. I'm super excited about this one just because it's been getting so hyped up online. So I figured, why not? Let's try it out and see what happens. Okay, so funny story is that the next items that I'm going to show you, I actually did not buy off of eBay, and I did not buy off of Amazon. I went shopping with my husband to a hardware store and came across a couple things. So let me show you. So he was doing his shopping and I was just looking around. Obviously, we're at a hardware store, not thinking anything of it. And then I came across these little storage cases, which I fell in love with, and I'll show you why in just a second. So these were actually, I think they were $2 each. So I thought it was a good price. And there's 18 slots there, and they're showing screws and nuts and everything in there. So, but I figured I could use this for something else, and I'll show you what exactly. So I'm going to open this up for you. And this is what it looks like. You see, so I figured I could use this for, let me tell you. This is how my stuff looks now. I have a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I have a whole bunch of these little cases that I got at the dollar store. But as time goes on, I keep buying more and more stuff. So stuff just keeps getting thrown in here. Like I would probably throw that in there and throw that in there, and I would just have more stuff. But what I was thinking is, since I have these, I'll show you what I did with some of these that I had. And these are the empty cases from what I have already done, because I wanted to show you guys. So what I did is I took this box here and then took the glitters, okay, and I turned it into this. That way, instead of trying to figure out which glitter I want to use, do I have any more at the bottom, do I have any more somewhere else, I have them all in one place. So, and they're not hard to open, where your glitter is not going to be going all over the place. They're actually super, super nice. So yeah, so just open them, and then you have your glitters all in there. See that you can move them around, they're not gonna get all mixed up, and that way I can see everything that I have. And I thought it made it look beautiful. It looks very pretty in here, it looks very organized. I can see exactly what glitters I have and which ones I don't. So yeah, so that's what I thought I would use these for. So I got 3 of these, and I should have probably gotten more just because I keep ordering stuff and I could probably use these a lot. So yeah, so that would be it for this one. And I also wanted to show you that I found these little stacking, they call them stacking tilt bins, and these are super cute. And let me tell you why I like these. So I got 4 of these. Okay, so I'll just show you like that. So I got 4 of those, and I was thinking again, let me show you my mess right here. Okay, so now I'm working on the floor here because I have so much stuff that I wanted to show you guys. So I have this, it opens up like this. I wish that I could show you the way. So it opens up like this. Okay, it tilts out. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I already put some stuff in here. So my nail tape stripping thingies, I can just put them all in there so they're not all over the place, and I know exactly where they are. And I was thinking of even just putting a label here, like nail stripping tape. But I also have other stuff that I can put in here. Like I have a place for my glitters now. My nail stamping stuff. I figured I could put in here. Put my nail stamper in there. My cards. If you haven't seen my nail stamping video, I will have it linked up on the iCard so you guys can see that and see how crazy it was. But now since I feel I have it down, I've been buying more stamping plates and stuff. Even this one, this one's brand new. I got this one just a little bit ago. So then I figured I would put it in there, close it up, put a label on here, nail stamping stuff. So the other cool thing about this is that they actually connect to each other. So they have these little grooves here on the side, or slits, or whatever you want to call them. And then what you do is you interlock them, just like, oh Lord. Okay. So yeah, you just put them together. There we go. And they connect to each other. See? Or you can connect them this way, or you can connect them on top of each other. See? So I thought this was a cute item as well. And you can connect all 4 of them just so they look something like that. And you can put these against the wall, maybe near your desk or your table, wherever. So I just thought it was a cool item. And I think these were actually, I want to say they were like $1.50 each. So I thought it was a cool item, and that way I can just organize all my stuff, label it, and I'll know exactly where everything is. I don't have to go in and dig for my stuff. Okay, so that was the other cool little gadget that, that I found at the hardware store. And just I bought some gloves as well. And then the last thing I found that was super cute, it's this small garbage can. So yeah, so this is just a 4-ounce garbage can, and let me zoom you out a little bit there. And well, there's a piece of paper there already, but yeah, so it's just a garbage can step opener here. And yeah, that's all I found yesterday. So it was a cool day, productive day. I spent a little bit of money. But yeah, this is all the stuff that I got yesterday in the mail. And yeah, if you guys have any questions on the stuff that we looked at right now, let me know, and we can definitely do that. Oh, and one more thing that I got as well, and you guys let me know whether you guys if you guys want a review on it. And this is the last item I'm going to be showing you. You guys let me know if you guys want a review on it on the comments below. I got this one off of Walmart, and because it's getting cold where I live, I'm not going to be able to open the window anymore for the smell of the monomer and stuff. So I got this air purifier from Walmart for $66, I think. I haven't opened it yet. I will open it soon. But if you guys want a review on it, or you want to see an unboxing on this thing, let me know, and then we can just go ahead and do that. So if you guys have any questions on the items that I showed you today, let me know, and I can definitely answer those questions for you. If you leave them on the comments below, I'll be checking at those. But yeah, so this was just a little mini nail haul that I did. Again, if you guys want to know if you want me to do an unboxing or a review on the air purifier, let me know. I can do that for you. But otherwise, that is it. This is all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like I said, I'll be checking for that. And again, I want to thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.